Looking to spice up your Telegram conversations with the hottest stickers? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find and add trending stickers on Telegram using two simple methods. By the end, you'll know how to access the stickers everyone's using right now so your chats never feel dull or out of date. Let's get right into it. The first method is through the sticker panel, and this is by far the quickest way if you're already chatting with someone. No need to leave the conversation or dig through menus. Start by opening Telegram desktop. Any chat will do, so just pick one from your list. Now, right next to the message input field where you type your replies, you'll see a smiley face icon. Go ahead and click that. This is the emoji button that also gives you access to stickers. Once the sticker panel pops up, take a look at the bottom row. You'll notice a horizontal scroll of sticker set icons. Basically, these are different collections that you've either added or that Telegram suggests. What you want to look for is a special tab, either a fire icon. It literally looks like a flame, or sometimes it's labeled trending. This is the gold mine. The fire icon symbolizes what's popular at the moment, so clicking on it will open the gateway to today's most used stickers. When you're browsing this trending section, take your time. Telegram updates its trending stickers regularly, so you might spot new, seasonal, or just downright fun sticker sets popping up every few days. If you see one that catches your eye, look for the plus button next to the sticker set. Clicking this instantly adds the entire set to your personal collection, so you can use those stickers right away. The process is seamless. And don't worry, you can always remove sticker sets later if you change your mind. Now, sometimes you want to browse trending stickers without the distraction of an active chat. Maybe you're planning ahead or just exploring what's available. For this, there's a second method. Start by heading to your Telegram settings. You'll usually find this by clicking the three horizontal lines at the very top left of the app, then selecting Settings. From here, scroll down and find Chat Settings. This is where you can tweak how your chats look and behave, but it also hides a few fun features. Inside Chat Settings, look for an option called Manage Stickers. Go ahead and click it. This section is a centralized place for all your sticker needs, but what we're interested in is the Trending tab within it. Once selected, you'll see a wide assortment of sticker sets that are trending right now. Telegram curates these based on what's popular across its users. Take a few moments to scroll through. There's usually a larger variety than in the panel method since you're seeing the entire trending catalog. Again, adding a set is as simple as tapping the plus button. Think of it like curating your personal sticker gallery. Whatever matches your mood, personality, or the inside jokes in your group chats, go ahead and grab it. Remember, if you don't see the trending tab immediately, be patient. Telegram might occasionally update its interface, so options may shuffle around. Don't worry, just look for icons or words like fire, trending, or recent. And that's it. Now you know two handy ways to discover and add stickers that everyone's loving right now. Let me know in the comments which sticker set is your new favorite, or drop any questions if you get stuck. I'm happy to help. If this guide was useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.